Blessed love. Well, folks, the build is all complete. We just recently finished install a 80cc motor onto our bicycles. We off-road Nevada, Fuji, and the build went quite well. We very satisfied. Here you can see we installed the 80cc motor, carburetor, fuel filter, electro pack, the gas tank, then we have the little gadgets up in front here. We have the horn, we have brake light, we have the Bluetooth, so we could answer the phone without having to dip for it. We have the headlights, speedometers, you know what I'm saying? Everything in place. Getting ready to make our pump now, go out on the road. For those of you who have never seen it before, get a good look at it. What is it look like? Covers, off-road, motorized bicycle. Alright folks, Bad for Life, we out.